Welcome to the Life with Kring on Air, a podcast about purpose, parenting, and people. In here, we hope to talk and collaborate on how to thrive in the 30s with your 30-something host, Trisha Julio. And since today is my birthday, I want to take this time to just thank those people who remember me today on my birthday. And also, I am recording a podcast for today. So while I'm doing this live for the first time, sorry, medyo noob sa kaning unsa ni sa live. So live and podcast all at the same time. So yep. And since this morning, medyo heavy akong adlaw ron, but thanks God, I have started my day with a prayer and a devotional. So it actually helped me go through the day na dili bitaw maglagot sa mga things na not happening uh, as planned. So since today is my birthday, I actually thought that although I wasn't on leave because um things are very busy at work. So I have to go to the office, or I mean work from home today. But even so, I'm expecting that things are gonna be okay, gonna be, what do you call this, smooth, but it doesn't happen. Thank you, Kenneth, for being here. I miss you, gang. Sorry, I haven't been in touch, but yeah, it's a sad day for us. I know you can relate, and you know Saina as well. So I'm gonna talk about her as well in the later part of this podcast because ay, medyo hangak. So it's part of the hangak that I felt um these past few days. But I'm trusting in God. So everything is if I think of all the things that will make me sad, I could always find things to make me sad. But instead of being sad, I just look at the silver linings, because for always these trials or mess that comes into our life, it's a message from God. So for today, I am focusing on the good things. So I just yesterday was my last day of 33 years old. So I'm officially 34 now. Medyo tiguwang na, no? Sorry, kay. So medyo tiguwang na akong pamati. But feeling yang gihapon. Charot. Charot lang taani. So feeling yang gihapon. And so thank you for Unyara. So I can't actually mami. So Onyara, gidagan niya ako ang mouse. Bi- but sige. Since gidagan yun yara akong mouse, mag-ano na lang ko dire. So, the purpose again of this podcast and live is to connect and thank the people who made my birthday awesome. But the awesomeness, okay, thank you, Onyara. She gave it back. Oh, thank you. Bibi. Oh, Bibi, so Bibi. Oh, say hello to people. Di, I'm sorry, dili siya mo say hello. So sige, sorry kay. Minsan, tay dili ko ka mao. Hala, unsaon man ang sorry kaya dili ko ka mao aning ano. Sige. So, I actually prepared a script of what to say today, but dili siya ma-open. I don't know what happened kay nikaging ako ang laptop. So, ana lang ni dire-diretso na lang. So, what I wanted to talk about is hi, say hi to people. Hello. Hi, there's the camera. Hello. Hi. There's Ate Highs. Oh, kanang go trekking. Yep. Yay. Okay. Hi. Sige na, go na, play na ka. Mag-talk na si Mami. Sige na. Play with that na lang ha. Sige, go. since dili naman gyud siya ma-open, so once again, it's my birthday, and then so later na lang din ako basahon akong mga greetings kay dili din ako siya ma-open. So um I have a script. I usually do a script when I do a podcast so that I know what to say, and most of the time if you know me, chikadura kayo ko, so kanang dugay kay siya mahuman. So na ako yung script, but unfortunately dili na nako ma-open akong script. I don't know what happened. So dire-diretso na lang ni, but I'll make it quick. So what I can remember is I want to recap what happened to me today. So I woke up because it's my birthday. It's always been my traditional all over what do you say? For the passing years to celebrate my birthday because it's my birthday. Like I always make it a point that I celebrate my birthday because it's another year, it's another gift from the Lord. So, but despite this being in quarantine, I I actually thought few days back of how to celebrate it differently. And it's a little hard kay I am limited to what I can do, but I what do you call this? Um Last year I also made a fundraiser for my birthday. Thanks God for Facebook na naa na siya kanang kuan. Na na siya pwede mag-donation bitaw. So kanang to this year I do it again. Unya I'm so happy nga na na siya kuan, na na siya local na unsa ni organization bitaw. There's a local organization where my donation could go, and then I'm so happy na katong MRH na akong gibutang sa ako ang donations sa ako ang as unsa man siya as beneficiaries for my birthday fundraiser. It's actually a organization in Cebu catered to the sexually abused women, mga bata pa sila. So I've known them in 2016 when I was in NCR. For some of you may know na kanang I was connected to Women in NCR, and then last 2016 MRH visit us. So kanang kato nga time kay they were ano um introducing us what MRH is all about. So kanang last 2016 we donated to them, and then since nabalhin ako sa Accenture, kuan wala na ko naka-connect nila, and just what is mga siguro katong when I started the fundraiser kay kuan siya kanang na-happy kaayo ko when I saw it na naa dito ang MRH nya murag wow Lord, at least kanang I sa I, makita na ko ako ang donations going something nga diri sa local, because last year ang fundraiser na akong gibuhat kay ang donations kanang international siya. So hello, Elaine. Hello, Jeric. Hello, Maggie. So, dugay na kayo. Thank you so much for being here. So, nya, kanang sumuoto, nag-fundraiser ko sa akong birthday. And thank you so much for those who donated. And, and aside from the fundraiser, to celebrate my birthday, I also, um, have some little donations lang nga. Like, there is amo ang condo. There's, Marcia kanang I don't know, proactive siya on organizations food, and she's always sharing food. So kanang ginagmay lang good na tabang, and the thing is kanang with this quarantine lisod gyud kaayo man, lisod kaayo ang kanang pamuyo food, but kanang if we are blessed this quarantine, so kanang nindot siya na feeling bitaw to give. um for always it's always better to give than to receive, because if we are able to give, that means kanang naapag yun tayo kana bitaw bisan sa kalisod nato, we know we are very lisod yun, but kanang um the little that we could give kay dako na kayo na sa uban. So I always make it a point na kanang bisan nagkalisod ko kay kanang na ako'y kanang kuan bitaw, na bitaw ko unsa ni nindot sa akong feeling na kanang makapanghatag ko. So kanang inana siya na ano and then so mao to akong gibuhat sa akong pre-birthday, and then excited kaayo ko sa akong birthday, then pag just last Tuesday I kanang Kana bitang excited kay kasi mong birthday, like daghan na magunahon na nakagala kanang kuan na kayo ni kana bitag although quarantine siya, but I have to think of something on how to make it ano kanang different. And then last Tuesday I kanang sad news, I received a sad news nga kanang one of my closest friends akong previous company died. So para kanang murag kanang naglibog ko kanang mara bitaw do I really have to celebrate my birthday with this sadness kay kanang nasad jud ko maayo kay kanang wala naman gud me naka-connect for over a year na kay busy sad ko sa kanang um last na mo kita kay pagbunyag ni Unyara, she was Unyara's ninang, and but after that kay pag birthday ni Unyara kay nato siya giadto so wala siya naka-attend unya excited kaayo ko na mag-meet bitaw me after sa quarantine, but sadly she died last Tuesday, and she's so young, mga baguwang ra siya nako o 1 to 2 years siguro. I think Saina is 35, and and with that kana bitaw excited kaayo ka sa imuhang birthday, but then kanang pag-una na kong thinking hala taga birthday na ako 2 days before that kay maka-remember ko nga nga akong friend kay namatay, so kanang mura bitaw kanang pag-una kay nakuan kay ko kanang mura tag selfish kay siya hunahunahon nga nganong sa ako apa mang duol sa akong birthday, but I realize na kanang God God made me realize nga it shouldn't be so lisod siya. Even writing the blog post that even writing the blog post kay lisod siya nako, but I realized na with her death I realized na kuan gyud ang kanang kuan karon ang atong life kanang short lang bitaw siya. So with that, I'd like to celebrate kanang every year like it was my last. So I have never been afraid of death kay kanang para na ako it's my home. So kanang if I die, I'm confident na kanang the Lord will welcome me. So pero kuan pa na siya kanang amo pa nagdebatihan ni Lord kung dawaton ba ko niya sa langit, but death for me is something is a freedom. So kana so even if Saina is kanang and I know Saina is an angel right now. So kanang she will be ilubong siya inig Friday, and I don't know if I tomorrow I don't know if I could be there, but kanang right now confident ko and kanang marbitag happy na ko na even though namatay siya 2 days before my birthday. So every year it's a reminder for me to live my life to the fullest and to make a difference, just as sign na kanang para she has made a kanang ano gyud impact in my life, and I wanna be that person sad for people. So kana, and then so kana mo to ang second sa akong birthday, sad siya, happy kay naka-donate ko, and then naka-help ko, then two kay kanang namatay ako amiga, so kuan, then today kay so kanang na reconcile na ko ato ni Lord na Kring, you have to do ano ana. Then this morning kay excited gay ko na mata ko ana. Usually when I go to work kay ko jud maligo jud ko daan. I usually go to ano, dili ko ka start sa akong day kung dili ko maligo and everything. But unfortunately, karong adlaw kay grabe ka busy sa work, 9 AM ko nag-call, and then naabot na then two major features sa ako ang sa na mi release karong Saturday, two major sa mo i-release karong Saturday kay wala ni work. And then working na to siya pag mga gahapon nya karon lang kay nahibaw-an na hala dili ni makuan so murag it's my birthday niya. Kinda na di wala pa gyud ko nakasuway nga nakasaban ko sa akong boss, but kanang kuan siya kanang medyo nasultian ko niya. It's not actually kanang my boss is very kind, but kanang na feel bitaw nako ang iyang kuan sad frustrations, and kanang nagkuan ko nga di siya ganahan mga saban ako because it's my birthday and I'm at work. But even so, kailangan ko niya sultian kung unsa isulti nako sa akong mga tao para ma-communicate nako ng iyahang frustrations. Although dili siya directed to me, but lisod siya i-communicate. So murag maglisod jud kog pangasaba gyud. Mo na akong ano kay maglisod kog pangasaba. So how would I pangasaba na kanang nakasab-an ko or something. Di man gyud siya kasaba, but it's something sad because kanang basta kanang hapit na kay among anong release inig Saturday na, and then napay wala na ano, wala na mo na human. So that's the morning. So anak ko wala Lord, grabe no, birthday pa naman ako nya, mauna siya ang nahitabo. So unsa-unsaon naman ni ana. So but even that ba kay kuan ra gihapon ko, kanang happy lang gihapon ko na kanang wala bitaw siya nakatarog nako. So in a way, pag share nako sa ako ang mga subordinates na inani kanang kuan, happy lang gihapon ko, and kanang unsa ni, I'm so thankful na I started my birthday with the devotional na kanang nindot kay akong gi-read today sa akong devotional na kanang bibi kanang right now ano kay siya kay when it's our birthday, 'di ba? Mag-ano man ta, mag-prepare ta for other people na kanang usually kung magpa-party ka, 'di ba? Mag-prepare ka gyud for other people ana. And then kung naa na sila, mabisi na kayo ka and everything, and then kanang kung mabisi na ka, di mo kuan kasi mong cake inana ang going sa akong devotional, then dayon sa katong ano na, then the last kan naay last guest nga ni abot. So that ang pag-ano sa devotional kay that guest is Jesus. So murag wow, nya murag kanang nindot kay siya ba kay mo pale in comparison ang katong imuhang mga guest ana kung kanang muanha si Jesus sa imong birthday. And nakuan ko na comforted bitaw ko na murag kanang hala Lord nindot ta sa feeling no kung kumuari gyud ka sa akong birthday, like dili man gyud siya moari physically but He will be with me throughout the day, and that's how I'm feeling yun kanang katong daghan na kay problema sa work murag kanang it's as if ba nga gingnan ko ni Lord na kring chill ra mo agiran ni, so ay rag kabalak ka kanang I will make waves for you, and that was miraculously, I don't know if it's a miracle, but miraculously nga pag lunchtime na fix na gyud among duha ka problema. So murag ay pag afternoon di ay to nya murag kanang ako nga nahunaan to kayo la Lord, ikulog gyud ni no kanang dili pa ni siya mahuman ana na nahuman na gyud siya. So it's a happy ano, and I know the Lord is going helping me through it. So ana. So another successful sa akong birthday, and then so ganahan ako mag-una-unta sa greetings, sa mga greetings kay wala pa gyud ko nakabasa sa mga greetings sa mga friends and to all of you guys, and lisod kayo siya kay magbasa na unta ako start nga hala na nasay ka ng trabaho nya mututoy pa si Onyara, and Lord unsaon naman lang ni nako. I really marami tawag ka ng ganahan kaayo ko na kuan gyud ako ang planado akong mga activities tanan, and I actually planned to have this live and create a podcast to all the greetings that I receive, and um to all the kind words that you shared to me on my birthday. But unfortunately karon ni crash akong laptop kay di ko kabaw na unsa ni. So another setback, but it will not stop me from sharing what I wanted to share. So later ako ning basahon ako inyong mga greetings. So thank you for those who greeted me, and kanang thank you sad nga naako sa live nako. It's my first time actually, and medyo kanang kuan siya kanang unsa ni kanang weird kanang daghang kay kog bugas. So I hope okay lang. And also so mao to akong day. And then karon sad kay daghan kayo nagkalisod na ko aning nag-live karon but laban lang jud kay mo live lang jud ko para to thank you guys for greeting me on my birthday. I'm now 34, tiguwang na, and sorry nga medyo dili na kayo ko active sa Facebook ron for some personal reasons kanang mas ganahan ko na kanang I have a podcast ato na ko magyaw-yaw didto, and kanang dili na sad kayo ko active sa Facebook kay maktintal man gud ko sa news feed. So kanang medyo lisod siya for me kay medyo may pagka-judgmental ko gamay. Gamay lang ko na no. So may pagka-judgmental ko gamay, but kana. So, thank you so much for my birthday. And then, I want to thank Denalyn. So, si Denalyn, she gave me a healthy cake sa ako ang birthday. A cake! So, this is a healthy cake. Thank you, Din, for this. So, thank you for the surprise. And especially, I'd like to thank as well sa akong husband na wala ko nagtuo nga, na pa siya pa-surprise. So, he bought me, nagpalit siya og ukulele. Baby. So, nagpalit si July og ukulele. And na-shock ko kay dugay na ko ganahan mag-ukulele, although wala pa ko'y time. But this quarantine, siguro magka-time na ko cut-on ukulele. Aside from nakat-on ko gluto. Yay! So that's another plus for my 34th birthday na nagpasalamat ko sa Ginoo na nakat-on na jud ko gluto, and nakat-on ra gyud ko gluto sa quarantine. So it's something that I'd like to share na kamao na ko muluto. So later kung mag catch up ta kanang charot. Kung ayo lang ko niyo sa wayahan na akong luto. So kanang I might kanang bring something. Charot. Sige. And also naapod kanang papansit. So actually, I didn't plan. I plan to cook on my birthday, but since kanang na may papansit, wala na lang ko nagluto. So thank you, Jen, for the pansit. Wala na ko nakaluto karong adlaw. And then lisod sa kayo magluto ron kay purti jud na kong bisiha. And tada! So this is the ukulele that the husband gave me. So dili pa ko kamao ani, pero I saw his kanang quick lang sa katong mga nag-greet nako kanang gipang pili ra nako akong ipangbasa, but the husband he showed me man nga I'm a words di ay kanang unsa ni pangan, di ba naman ay love languages, so I'm a words person, so kanang I need words of affirmation to make me happy. So aside from the gifts, dili although ganahan ko gifts pero dili kaayo, so mas gyud ako ang words. So aside from the gift, charot, kuan ko no, so ukulele, future ukulele YouTuber, charot, di pa ko kamao. So tabangin niya ako kung kinsa tong kamao mo ukulele, tudloin niya ako ninyo ha. So thank you so much. And then mao to, so salamat kay aside from the ukulele, kanang napag siya pa dugay na ko wala kakaon og Belgian waffle. So kanang og milk tea pod. So nagpa-surprise siya ganina. So busy kayo ko sa work. So hala na delivery. So nagpa-deliver pod si July. So thank you so much kaayo sa akong husband, and as well sa katong mga nang donate sa ako ang fundraiser. Thank you so much, and also thank you sa kayo sa mga greetings nga wala pa nako nabasa tanan. But kanang it made my heart swell that you remember my birthday. Kay ako makalimot ba ako sa inyong mga birthday, kay kanang nagsalig lagi ko sa Facebook kay nabi anay notification, and kanang since namatay akong friend niya, dili na ba kay ko active sa Facebook niya, wala ko kag-greet siyang birthday actually. So naghunahon ako, hala unsaon naman ni na dili na ba kay ko active sa Facebook niya. Ang Facebook ba ay makatabang nako para mag-remind sa birthday sa mga tao. So unsa naman na akong buhaton. So kana. But I'll find a way. Kay kung mag-Facebook ko, magsige ko kanang usahay, magsige ko kanang sa newsfeed bitaw niya, kanang lisod kaayo na kanang mag-search sa newsfeed kay makaano bitaw ka maglisod ko na kanang maninguha gyud ko nga dili ko maka-judge but usahay ma-judgmental gyud ko. So kanang ako na lang gi-separate akong self sa temptation. So dili na kayo ko tig Facebook. Mo share gihapon ko sa akong life, pero if you can see dili na kay siya per me. And but mag-vlog gihapon ko sa akong life with Kring.wordpress.com, and kuan lang sad kanang ginagmay na update sa akong life. So kay kalimtanon man ko, and if I don't write about my life, kay base ini kasing kwenta nako nagunsa man dai ko sa ako ang 50 years in this world. So kana siya. And I think this is enough, and thank you so much for watching, and thank you for all those who greeted me. And I will read your messages and your post later tonight, kay ikahuman ani nako kay dili OT mo check pa ko sa work kay napakoy i-deploy ka Saturday. So thank you for those who are watching, and also this is my first live, and so this is me, 34 years old. kanang kuan, taas-taas akong buhok basin inig balik sa ay gawa na ikahuman sa quarantine ako na ning paputlan. And another update po, tambok na kayo ko sa quarantine. So mag-exercise na ko, charot. Kay para makabalik og trekking. So for all my trekking friends, char, tabangin taw ko ninyo ampo na mudaot kog balik. Ginoo ko, kalisod magpadaot. Sus Diyos ko. But kung namoy tips and tricks unsaon pagpadaot pagkahuman ng anak unya ka nang nag-breastfeeding tabangi intawon ko kay lisod kaayo niya akong bana supportive sa kay sige pakaon so good luck na lang nako. So, thank you again. I hope to see you when this is over. Let's pray na mahuman na ni ang COVID so we could meet again and dili na ko mag-quarantine birthday, mag-live pa, charot. So, pacharot lang ni, no? So, kana, thank you, kaayo. Thank you, Mitch. Thank you, Joanne. Thank you, Dongjan. Thank you for being here. Uy, Kuya Francisco, thank you so much for being here. So, kana lang. Bye-bye. God bless you and happy birthday to me. But always, always, it's my happy birthday, but I pray that whoever is watching this video will be blessed as well. And for always, always, sa ako ang podcast, put God first and He will do the rest. So, kana lang ako ang kuan, last ano. Thank you so much. God bless you all and good night. Daddy, nagplano jud ko. Wala man ko nakakuan. Kato na lang. Sige. Hala, nyoro. Asa na to, doy?
This episode of Life with Kring on Air was brought to you with love and prayers. Thank you for tuning in. If you want to hear more, please subscribe and share what you think at lifewithkring.wordpress.com. And as always, have a blessed day and remember that we are not made to survive, but we were made to thrive. Happy thriving, friends!